When you ask an artificial intelligence a question, it does not think. It executes billions of math equations per second. And the hardware running those equations is in a silent war. 4 chip designs are fighting for that job. And the fastest one is not the one you think. Here is the job on the ticket. Generate one single word of an answer. Sounds trivial. Except to produce that one token, the chip has to load every single weight of the model from memory. Billions of parameters hauled in for every token, one token at a time. That job is the whole war. And 4 very different machines are lined up to run it. Station 1. The CPU, the central processing unit. For decades it ruled computing. Think of it as a brilliant artisan craftsman. One worker who can build absolutely anything. Paint a portrait, fix a watch, solve a puzzle. Deep pipelines, aggressive branch prediction, and layers of ultra-fast cache keep that one worker sprinting through complex step-by-step logic. That is its strength, low latency on a single thread. But ask the artisan to move 10,000 identical bricks across the factory floor at the same time, and they can still only carry 1 or 2 at a time. The artisan gets completely overwhelmed. That is the CPU trying to process modern artificial intelligence math. Station 2. The GPU, the graphics processing unit. If the CPU is an artisan, the GPU is a massive assembly line crew. It does not have one super smart brain. It has thousands of simpler mini-brains, working in perfect parallel. Multiply a giant matrix of numbers, the core math behind artificial intelligence, and the GPU handles every element at the exact same millisecond. Throughput instead of latency. But modern inference has an invisible enemy. And it is not inside the cores. The memory wall. Each robotic arm finishes its math almost instantly. Then it waits, while data drives in from a distant warehouse called HBM, high bandwidth memory. HBM stacks memory dies vertically to reach terabytes per second. Impressive. But it still sits outside the processor logic. So for every single token, the entire model gets hauled across that external bus. And the processing cores burn valuable clock cycles doing nothing but waiting for data to arrive. That is the structural flaw. Quick word from today's sponsor, Hostinger. 4 ways to run AI agents on your own infrastructure. AI agents, connector, OpenClaw, and Hermes agent. Use code DIY_SMART for an extra 10% off at hostinger.com. Okay, back to the video. Station 3. The TPU, the Tensor processing unit. Google saw the bottleneck and designed around it, building the chip on something called a systolic array. Picture a custom conveyor belt grid. Data flows through it like a wave. Each cell multiplies, then passes the result directly to the next cell without a single pause. No picking data up, processing it and writing it back to memory over and over. That continuous flow makes it brutally efficient for massive, enterprise-scale artificial intelligence factories. The trade. It needs highly predictable, rigid workloads to run at full speed. Station 4. The LPU, the language processing unit pioneered by Groq. The pneumatic tube speed demon. It looks at the memory wall and solves it by throwing out external memory entirely. The model's weights sit inside the chip itself, etched into ultra-fast SRAM distributed directly across the processing logic. No external bus. No warehouse. And the execution is entirely deterministic. The chip knows exactly where every byte of data will be on every single clock cycle. No waiting, no batching, no delays. Pure token generation speed. The catch. SRAM is small, so a big model needs many chips wired together. So the dispatch board is clear. Complex step-by-step logic. That job goes to the artisan, the CPU. Versatile, massive parallel throughput. The assembly line, the GPU. Ultra-efficient, large-scale enterprise data streams, the conveyor grid, the TPU. And when the only priority is absolute blazing fast speed, the pneumatic tube, the LPU. 4 machines. 1 factory. Each one built for a different job. So the silent war has no single winner, it has 4. If you want to learn more about artificial intelligence, check out the DYNAMOUS.ai community. And here is the real question. How many of these 4 chips did you know before this video? Drop your number below.